Let's dive into the divine verses of the Yamun Nishteh, the hymn that sings the praises of the sacred Yamun Yamud. In the beginning, there is a call for peace. The saint says, "O mind, be still, surrender to the divine." And the first verse sets the tone for the journey. It speaks of the Yamuna, the abode of Vishnu, the preserver, the goddess of wealth and fortune. As we move along, the second verse reveals the true nature of the Yamuna. She is not just a river, but a living, breathing entity. The third verse describes the sacred thread that connects all living beings to the divine. It's a reminder that we are all interconnected, and that our actions affect not only ourselves, but also the world around us. The fourth verse talks about the importance of seeking refuge. Just as the sun's rays illuminate the world, so does the human illuminate. In the fifth verse, we hear the sound of the divine God. It's a call to action, a reminder that we must awaken from our slumber and realize our true potential. And finally, the eighth verse is a prayer for the blessings of the Yamuna. It's a recognition of her power and a request for her to guide us on our journey towards enlightenment.
પણ આપની સેવા થતી યદ નિશ્ચય પ્રભુને પ્રિય થશે ને નાશ થાશે પાપનો સિદ્ધિ સફલ મળશે અને શ્રી કૃષ્ણમાં વધશે પ્રીતિ આનંદ સાગર ઉમટશે ને સ્વભાવ પણ જાશે જીતી જગદીશ ને વાલા મારા વલ્લભાધીશ ઉચ્ચરે વંદન કરું શ્રી યમુનાજીને શ્રી